brother.
Craig Ashton from Ashton Price. Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Good to see you. Good to see you. So, do you play golf at all or no?
Yeah, I do. I used to be actually 5 handicap.
Oh, wow. But then you got too busy.
No, I drank too much wine at a Christmas party and signed up for Ironman New Zealand, and then I was doing Ironman triathlons for a while.
He does everything. This guy does it all. All right. So good to see you again. This is great that you're back on the show telling us about some things that are going on in the legal world. And, you know, I was driving around the other day. I don't get down to the Bay Area too often. I know that's where these autonomous vehicles are. But I did see a few out here. Driving around, I'm thinking, oh, my gosh, here we go. So we got to get into this. How does the law deal with automobiles that have no driver?
Yeah.
This has got to be crazy for you.
So California's taking the lead, really. So basically, we have the DMV, which oversees the safety aspect.
Okay.
And we have the Public Utilities Commission that determines how much you can monetize the rides for.
Okay.
So I knew that Waymo, which is basically Alphabet, which is Google, is safe when my wife said I rode in one and I loved it.
Oh, wow.
So
okay. She said that?
Yeah, so I started riding because my wife endorses it, it's probably safe. So the idea is that basically they have issues regarding accidents, and they're actually about 8 times safer in terms of accidents. But until recently, you couldn't cite an autonomous vehicle for violating the vehicle code. There was a case in San Bruno where they had a DUI checkpoint, and the autonomous Waymo made a U-turn illegally, and then when the police officer pulled it over, there was no driver. So you couldn't write a ticket to it.
Yeah.
So just starting July 1st, so just a few weeks ago, there's now an ability under the vehicle code to write a ticket to the company.
Unbelievable. Wow. Yeah, so you as an attorney, partner of the firm, been doing this a long time. This is all new to you for sure to try to deal with all this artificial intelligence.
Yeah, brand new. So the large language models, which is now factoring into what's going on with, let's say, Facebook and Meta, and then you've got these Beautify, apps which are affecting people's right to privacy and affecting minors. So you've got litigation there, and you've got the autonomous vehicles and the large language models and vehicles that are not driving themselves coming up to Sacramento. Right now they're doing their due diligence by traveling around Sacramento and mapping it, and you'll probably see in the next month ability to take a Waymo in Sacramento.
That's amazing. Is this stuff just driving you kind of crazy?
I love it.
Feel of all, or do you
I love it
it
because this is NorCal, right? So we are leading the world with this technology. I mean, I was just in London and I was in Portugal during the World Cup.
Yeah.
And they don't have this technology. They're all talking about it. It's our backyard. Go NorCal. I mean, whether or not you are responsible for the technology, you pay taxes here.
Yeah.
And ultimately, it is our part of the world that's developing this technology, and it's actually working.
Wow. That's great. Cool. Good to be proud of that. All right, we got to talk about this. What's up with the AI, Judge Judy, commenting on a Florida man? And fill us in with that, because this is kind of new to me.
Right. So I have a radio show that we do once a week. It's on KHDK, and then KSFO, KNBR. I'm also a podcast, and so I take a Florida man story and put it into Claude's Anthropic. And I say, right in the voice of Judge Judy. And then so let's say.
So you're behind this,
Naked Florida man basically crawls through drive-through at McDonald's.
Got it.
Or, a Florida man.
Which happens quite often now, right
Florida
there.
man drinks a handle of vodka at Walmart on a scooter and takes out one of the displays. And then AI Judge Judy writes a response. So if you want to hear that, it's pretty funny. And people right now are booing AI. They feel like it's kind of separating them out from humanity. AI Judge Judy brings us back, and there's actually some fun you can have with the artificial intelligence.
Oh my gosh, that's great. Always making things kind of fun. All right, viewers that are watching right now, any advice to those to the viewers regarding like AI, social media, anything like that?
Yeah, be real careful, because right now there's an ability to, they will hallucinate and give you information. Whenever it comes to legal issues or medical issues, be very careful, because if you follow a hallucination through AI, the consequences are pretty dramatic. If you're in an auto accident, don't use AI to direct you. Call a law firm like ours, Ashton Price. Yeah, I'm sure people are probably going to that right away, but they shouldn't do that. They should get a hold of you guys. You need the human person there. I mean, or the person, I should say. Put it this way: if your pilot can land the plane 90% of the time, you wouldn't fly. So I mean, if AI is right 90% of the time in a personal injury case or medical issues, bad idea. Bad idea. I love that. Before we let you go, one last time, where we can hear your podcast in the Times. So the podcast, you just anywhere you can find your podcast, type in the All Things Legal Show. It's also on YouTube. Got it. We have a shady attorney. He's my partner on this. So we have a shady lawyer giving some legal direction. Okay. It's on KHTK, KSFO, and KNBR. I love that. Well, thanks for coming back on the show. Yeah, good to see you. Really appreciate it, man. Good to see you. That's awesome, man. Come back anytime. We'll talk some more stuff. I love this, man. Good. Learning AI. I didn't even think about that. Attorneys and everything have to deal with all this as well, too. A car, no driver. We can issue the ticket to. All right, here's some information for you right there. AshtonandPrice.com. Also, all on the socials as well, too. And be sure to check out that podcast.